Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vitamin C serum with tablets. Crafting your own serum is a fantastic way to ensure freshness and potency, giving your skin the best benefits. We'll go through each step, making it easy for you to create a personalized skincare product right in your kitchen. Get ready to unlock a brighter, more even skin tone with this simple DIY. To begin, you'll need a few key items. Grab 2 or 3 vitamin C tablets which you'll crush into a fine powder. Also, have 2 tablespoons of distilled water ready. For extra hydration, consider adding 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin or aloe vera gel. Don't forget a small, dark glass bottle for storage, a mortar and pestle, and a mixing bowl. Now for the fun part, mixing your serum. Start by crushing 2 or 3 vitamin C tablets into a very fine powder using your mortar and pestle. Next, transfer this powder into a clean bowl and add 2 tablespoons of distilled water. Stir the mixture gently but thoroughly until all the vitamin C powder has completely dissolved. If you're using them, now is the time to blend in 1 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin or aloe vera gel. Proper storage is crucial for your homemade serum. Carefully pour your finished serum into a dark glass dropper bottle to protect it from light. Always store it in the refrigerator. This helps slow down oxidation and keeps it fresh for longer. Apply 2 to 4 drops to clean skin 2 or 3 times a week, gradually increasing frequency if your skin tolerates it well. Remember to make a fresh batch every 1 to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.